hello. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. It's Mr. B on the Beast. And welcome to the brain dump. And yeah, sorry, it's been about half a year or more since I did a vlog. But there we are. I haven't even thought about what to say, to be honest. And basically, yeah, so you're probably wondering where I've been, and I've been working and doing life and trying to sort things out, and I am sorted out. It's just that circumstances have made it difficult to get out on the bike and do some vlogs. And I know that the last video I did, when I was in the car, everyone was going, oh, I don't want to see you in the car anymore. So I heeded that advice, and that's why I haven't seen a video for so long. Oh yeah. But yeah, here I am, and I'm on the Beast. I've just had it tuned, actually. So nice. And yeah, I'm planning on going for a long ride a little bit later. Just need to give it a bit of a spruce up before I go. Hopefully the weather clears up. It's actually it's ideal riding weather, temperature wise. I could just do without the damp roads, to be honest, because they're at that point of being greasy. But yeah, apart from that, everything's good. The butter is good. I'm good. Temperature's good. And it's good to be doing a vlog too. That's good. Brings back memories of my everything is awesome video. Yeah. But so yeah, I'm just chilling. Tyres are still not that warm, and probably won't get that warm in this rate. So I'm not going to be doing any crazy stuff. Not while it's like this. But I just thought I'd do a vlog and say hello and let you know that I'm still alive. And everything is good. Everything is awesome. And yeah, I'm just riding back to the base camp. Just need to do a few more little bits and bobs with the bike before I go on a bit of a ride. And no doubt I'll do a couple of videos during that, which will be available at some point. Going. Watch the speed camera down there. Not. Yeah, get in there. Bing. Oh yeah. And there we go. So yeah. I don't know how long this video is. I don't want it to be a long one, because I'm just sort of like saying hello, I'm back, don't worry about it. Yeah, there will be more videos. I'm not going to say when, because you know how it goes. Ideally I'm looking for another house, and as soon as I find that house, videos will literally pour from the channel. At the moment, where I am, I can't really do that, and that's why you've not seen much of me, or any of me. But I'm here, I'm still alive. The Beast is still here. I haven't sold it, unlike the MT-09, which I was never happy about selling, but there we go. So yeah, but no, the Beast will never go. Not while I'm alive. So yeah, everything's good. I don't know what else to say really, because I'm just sort of like letting you know I'm here, and I have done. So hello, and thank everyone for, or thank you to everyone that's stuck around. Probably thought I was dead, but no, I'm still alive. Still Mr. B, and still got the Beast. So yeah, I look forward to doing more videos. Like I say, as soon as I can move to a decent house. that will happen. Absolutely, mate. But right now it's not easy. So anyway, oh God, don't say I've got to blur the speedo already. Anyway, we'll leave it there. More videos will come. I'll probably do the odd one now and again. And then when I move and get the place I need, I'll get back onto the DIY stuff. Alright? So in the meantime, ride safe. No, ride safe, ride invisible. Bye.